Real pleasure to introduce PureMain PM60MA3H series network video matrix system. It is in a 1U chassis with 2 Ethernet port, optional to have multiple hardware configuration, including 1. 10ch HDMI output, 2. 8ch HDMI output, 3. 6ch HDMI output, 4. 4ch HDMI output, 5. 1ch HDMI in and 5ch HDMI output, 6. 1ch HDMI in and 7ch HDMI output, 7. 1ch HDMI in and 9ch HDMI output. It can decode network camera, audio, video stream and output to display on the monitors, also can display computer single on monitors, support video roaming, cruise, salvo, splicing, split, etc. Display mode. Compatible with H.265, 264. Support 4K input and output. Good choice for the applications request video wall display and management.